Um, my name is Jenny Marcela Gomez Lozano. I am studying industrial engineering. Um, competitive, competitive technological intelligence aspects for technological management properties. It is It is fundamental to maintain competence in those cross environments and adds knowledge about how information both are analyzing and using and fatally to make informed decisions and respond appropriately to environmental signals. A development according to already currently it important information analysis specialized in scientific technological aspect they affect the performance of an organization award objectives award. One er, early alert of instar scientific and technological development. 2. Collect technologies available red to see companies. 3. Diagnosis of the relevant technology positions of the company. And 4. Evaluate proposals for net average and instance. 5. Formulates literacy systems uh, where where with where indicates the importance of its funds to manage technology research are made. One, but victory is technology appear worldwide. Two, systematics of information source. Three, three, analysis of competitive technologies. 4. Evaluation of the post-impact of technology evolution. Um, the third of competence of technology potential. As student district innovation. Conclusion. This process is fundamental to respond to this information needs of the birth to or effectiveness it must be second across planted species of protein product. The objective of this is the same. System established fundamental patterns of these elements are when structures